Now you can imagine that if I have a linear factor that has a negative coefficient in front of the x, then I can actually pull that negative out and instead write the factor in an equivalent form but with a positive coefficient for x. The negative can be reflected in the other factor that we're multiplying by. This basically means that I can choose which coefficients go in front of our x term. And if I want, I can decide that I want those to be positive. That's definitely what I would prefer, just for ease of looking at our factorization. So let's just go ahead and remove the negative number pairs that multiply to equal 6. This makes our lives much easier. Now we only have 2 pairs of coefficients to check to put in these slots instead of 4. So let's do just that. Let's check them. I've written out for you 2 possible ways of factoring our original expression of 6x squared minus 7x minus 5. Actually, only one of these 2 ways is possible, since we know that only one of these combinations of coefficients for x actually works. So for the one that works, you're going to figure that out by figuring out which number belongs here and here, or here and here, depending on which one is right. And then in the equation that's not going to work at all, based on these first 2 coefficients, you're going to simply bubble in wrong for the 2 constant term slots. So basically try out each of the 4 numbers that are written down here. What you notice are the 4 different factors of negative 5 that you found earlier. And once you find out which one works, fill in the proper numbers and then rule out the other entire equation.